All right. Another day at the worm farm. Come a few times this week since no longer employed with my day job. Been unemployed 5 days and I'm already just wearing slippers everywhere. I just stopped caring. Dogs, 6 feet. Remember the rules. Yep. So, yeah, I've been self-quarantined for about 3 weeks just because. Trying to be safe. Got little kids. Got to keep them healthy. And then laid off since last Friday. It's Friday today. And now, this is all I got. I actually have some side jobs that are keeping me busy, which is nice. I'm going to be all right. So, stole a broom from the shed. I'm going to clean up a little bit out here. I'm going to uncover this too. I think the hay, I'm going to uncover it and get it wet because I think the hay is actually keeping it cold at this point, ironically. What's our temperature at right now? Oh, a little under 50 right there. A little over 50 right there. Sweet. Let's see. A little over 50 there too. Cool. All right. Let's get to work. And then today I'm taking this thing. Since our food is already beat up by that manure spreader out there, we don't really need this. We're going to turn this into a casting sifter. I'm going to put new mesh on it. And then we're probably going to have to rebuild this little mesh thing. I mean, oh man, it's all messed up. There's like no holes in it. It basically isn't doing anything right now. Yeah, I got to rebuild it. That'll be giving me something to do. I'm trying to think of projects to do this spring. So I can get this moving again. Videos, I've said, oh, I'm going to get this moving. Well, it's gotten busy. Things are crazy right now. But I have more time, have side jobs, shave my beard. I'm actually going to do some stuff. I'm going to get things done. Oh man, that's a bad angle. Looks like double chin going on. Yeah, whatever. Got this off the machine. I need some serious work. See where the screws are just pulling through. It's happened like that in a few spots. Easy fixes though. Put some washers on the screws. I'm going to take them out and then put washers on them and keep them from tearing through. It's completely caked up. I need to build a brush system that brushes the inside. I bet I could run it off of one of these pulleys. I bet I could run another pulley off here and come up with some sort of system that has a brush up on the top that just kind of wipes it clean as it goes. That'd be kind of fun to try and figure out. I think I can do that. I don't see why I can't. Man, this thing is dirty though. No wonder. Let me get all that off before I carry it out of here. It's pretty heavy. Man, was this even working the last few times I used it? I should really pay better attention. The more I clean this, the less confident I am that it's even salvageable. I'll make it happen though. All right, time to clean up this mess. I'm gonna open up the worm farm. Winter's over, although maybe it's not. This winter's kind of gone full 2020, and it's just been a piece of crap. Never ends. Every time it gets warm for a day or two, besides the snow. 2 days ago it was 65 degrees during the day. That night, snow streams. The biggest, fattest flakes I've ever seen. I just don't get it. Oh, there's mice. Lots of mice. That's a fat mouse. Let me get the little dog over here. Oh, another one. Oh, hey guys. Sorry I destroyed your home. I got all sorts of tunnels down in here. Stuff got dry. Alright, where's my rake? I better not find any baby mice or else I'm gonna feel bad. I don't like feeling bad. A lot of centipedes, that's weird. Huh. I need the other rake, this stuff's compacted. Guess I'll use the rock rake. See what up there, gotta peel it back. Another sensor. pH is still good. You guys missed the mice. You had your chance. It's your job. No worms on the surface. I'm actually kind of having doubts very many survived in here, or if they did, they are deeper right now. We'll flip some of this in a minute to find out. Once I can kind of get underneath it, I can just roll it. It's nice. Hey, puppy. You looking for mice? A little bit of steam on this end. Trying to think of if that's good or bad. Ooh, a little soft. All right, well, no baby mice, so that's good. I don't want to have to deal with that. Gonna do a little bit more cleanup on this really quick. All right, the last of the farm is de-winterized. Mostly doing that because I never saw the temperature going up. Figured it was the hay insulating it, the straw insulating it and not letting it get warm, because we've had a couple days where it's been near 70. And these are uncovered and they're warming up even with the little cold snap we just had. But I'm gonna flip some of this and see if we can find any worms from last year. A little disheartened, not really planning on finding much, not expecting it at least, but we'll see. Well, so far all I'm finding is potworms. That's disappointing. I think I starved my worms by not feeding them over the winter. Dug a few holes. No luck. Have to start diagnosing what went wrong. I'm thinking it's starvation. That sucks. I also need to figure out what I'm going to do with these things. Big 75 foot, maybe 50 foot, I can't remember, augers. I was going to eventually use them to, the original plan, especially for this one, since it lined up so well with the roof, was to back it up and feed it with a hopper out here and have it drop down from up there and then go into our feeding sifter or feed sifter. That may not be necessary anymore. I don't know, we'll find out. Well, I was gonna wet everything down, but my hose made a little deep freeze the other night. It looks like I had some water in there still. Dang it. It froze. I got a crack right there too, so I gotta replace those two things. Fun stuff. Some more projects, nothing wrong with it. Thanks for watching. Just a simple, quick farm visit. Not super exciting. Looked at the worms in the end that I added the other day, and it looks like most of them froze. They got down into the teens the other night, kind of out of nowhere. Really sucks, but luckily they were just worms from my house, and I have tons more I can add, so not a huge loss. Just didn't get started as early as we hoped. You know, it's just a 2020 thing. If it's not one thing, it's another, you know. Yeah, the worms I added the other day were kind of on the most exposed side of the shed, so they just, when it got cold, that small pile of dirt they were in, or pile of manure there, and just got too cold, I guess. One night I dug some up. There was, I mean, they were still recognizable as worms, but they definitely had that look that they had frozen, you know, they kind of start disintegrating a little bit. They'd been dead for, you know, since yesterday when it got super cold. It's a shame, but like I said, I have more to add. I have 2 huge tubs of worms, so I'm gonna start bringing some over. Gonna check the weather a little better in the future, although it's been really unpredictable lately, but I guess that's just springtime here in Utah. Pretty normal. But again, thanks for watching. I have more time on my hands, so hopefully I'll get more videos out. There was about a month I couldn't get one out just because work was super busy, and now there's no more work, so I gotta get more time to do this, which is great. Can finally kind of focus on this and hopefully turn it into something real, more than just a hobby. That's been the goal from the beginning, at least. So anyway, please like and subscribe if you want to keep following along. I get a lot of views, but most of them aren't subscribers, so go ahead and do that. Thanks.